Ever wondered if you can use that McDonald's gift card to get your favorites delivered through Doordash? The answer is yes, and here's exactly how. First, ensure you have the Doordash app installed and are logged into your account. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one. Next, tap on the account icon, usually found in the bottom navigation bar. This will bring up your account settings. From your account settings, find and tap on the payment or payment methods option. This is where you manage all your payment details. On the payment methods screen, you'll see an option to add gift card or a similar phrase. Tap on this to proceed. Now, you'll need to enter the details from your McDonald's gift card. Carefully type in the gift card number and any associated PIN or code. Make sure to enter them exactly as they appear on the card. Once you've entered the information, tap Add Gift Card or Submit. Doordash will verify the card, and its balance will be added to your Doordash account. Now for the fun part. Browse for your desired McDonald's meal through the Doordash app. Add your chosen items to your cart. Proceed to the checkout screen. Here, you'll see your order total and the option to apply your available balance or gift cards. You should see your McDonald's gift card balance listed as a payment option selected to apply the balance towards your order. If the balance covers the entire order, you're all set. If the gift card doesn't cover the full amount, you can choose to pay the remaining balance with another payment method, and that's it. Enjoy your McDonald's order delivered right to your door, paid for with your gift card.